Cinnamon, sweet, spicy, and loaded with health benefits. It's in your morning oatmeal, your cozy lattes, and even your health supplements. But what if I told you this powerful spice could actually be harming your body? Yes, cinnamon can secretly poison your liver, mess with your medications, and silently build up toxins in your body if you're not careful. In this video, we're revealing the 6 most dangerous cinnamon mistakes that millions of people make every single day. Stay with us, because if you love cinnamon, you need to hear this. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's praised for balancing blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and even supporting heart health. But here's the catch. Not all cinnamon is the same, and how you use it matters a lot. There are different types of cinnamon, and using the wrong kind, or using too much, can be risky. Let's uncover the 6 biggest mistakes people make with cinnamon, and how to avoid poisoning your body without even realizing it. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong type of cinnamon. Most people don't know that there are 2 main types of cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, the cheap one found in most grocery stores. Ceylon cinnamon, known as true cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarin, a compound that can damage your liver if consumed regularly in large amounts. If you're using cinnamon every day, for smoothies, teas, or supplements, and it's cassia, you may be slowly harming your body. Solution: look for Ceylon cinnamon. It has much lower coumarin levels and is safer for long-term use. Mistake number 2. Taking too much cinnamon. More is not always better. Too much cinnamon, especially cassia, can lead to liver damage, increased heart rate, breathing problems, low blood sugar. Too low is dangerous. Experts say 1 teaspoon of cassia cinnamon per day may already be too much. Solution: keep your daily intake to no more than 1/2 teaspoon if it's cassia. If you're using Ceylon, you can safely take 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, but always start small. Mistake number 3. Mixing cinnamon with certain medications. Cinnamon may interact with blood thinners like warfarin, diabetes medication, liver medications. Why? Because cinnamon can thin the blood and lower blood sugar, which might cause your meds to work too strongly or interfere with your body's balance. Solution: if you're on medication, talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of cinnamon or supplements to your routine. Mistake number 4. Taking cinnamon on an empty stomach. Some people take cinnamon powder first thing in the morning with warm water for weight loss or blood sugar. But taking cinnamon on an empty stomach can cause nausea, heartburn, mouth and throat irritation, spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Solution: always take cinnamon with food to reduce harsh effects and help your body absorb it better. Mistake number 5. Trusting all supplements. Cinnamon capsules and extracts are everywhere, but many aren't regulated and may contain low-quality cassia, synthetic additives, inaccurate dosages. You might think you're helping your body, but you could be taking 5 to 10 times the safe amount of coumarin. Solution: choose trusted brands that use Ceylon cinnamon and are third-party tested. Read labels carefully. Mistake number 6. Ignoring hidden cinnamon in foods. Cinnamon is in more foods than you think: cereals, flavored teas, granola bars, even gum. If you're already using cinnamon at home, this hidden cinnamon can push you over the safe limit. Solution: be mindful of your total daily intake. Check labels and count all sources of cinnamon throughout your day. So is cinnamon bad? Not at all. Cinnamon can still be your best friend in the kitchen and in your health journey, if used correctly. Just remember, stick to Ceylon cinnamon. Don't overuse it. Avoid mixing with meds without advice. Always consume it with food. Used wisely, cinnamon can support your body, not poison it. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses cinnamon daily. Question for you: were you making any of these cinnamon mistakes? Let us know in the comments below.